Welcome to Small Business Management, SBM 2000. The textbook for this course is digital and accessed through Canvas. There is no cost for the textbook. This course includes a term project, which is the development of a complete business plan. Sections of the business plan will be submitted each week for feedback. Feel free to view the requirements and template for the business plan early in the course to prepare you in advance. There are 2 opportunities to take each chapter quiz. The highest score will be graded. There are also module reflection discussions for peer-to-peer interaction. This is a fully online course, and each week is represented by different modules. The best way to navigate this course is to go to the module section in Canvas for the weekly assignments, due dates, and other course materials required to complete each separate weekly module. There are also modules with general information, such as course overview, instructor information, and course resources. Warning: skipping the modules section and only reviewing the grades page may result in missed information. No late work will be accepted. Therefore, exercise good time management. If you need to discuss any concerns you have about this course and its assignments, please feel free to email me through Canvas. You may also contact me by telephone. Thank you. I look forward to meeting you in the course.